Did you know that there are over 31,000 species currently threatened with extinction? That's more than 27% of all assessed species. Today, we delve into the world of these endangered species, exploring the importance of biodiversity and the unique role each species plays in maintaining our ecological balance. From the lush forests to the deepest oceans, every creature contributes to our magnificent biosphere. As we dive into the top 9 endangered species, remember every creature has a role to play in our magnificent biosphere. Starting off our countdown at number 9, we have the Sumatran orangutan. These remarkable apes, known for their intelligence and bright orange-red fur, call the rainforests of Sumatra, Indonesia, home. They're the most arboreal of the great apes, spending nearly all their time in the trees, swinging from branch to branch in search of food. But the Sumatran orangutan is critically endangered. The primary threat to their survival? Deforestation. Their habitat is being destroyed at an alarming rate for palm oil plantations and other human activities. Today, it's estimated that less than 14,000 Sumatran orangutans remain in the wild. But there's hope. Conservation efforts, including habitat protection and anti-poaching laws, are underway to ensure these intelligent creatures continue to swing through Sumatra's rainforest canopies. The Sumatran orangutan, a true marvel of nature, is teetering on the brink of extinction, but with continued efforts we can help them rebound. Coming in at number 8, we have the vaquita. This charming creature is the smallest and most endangered marine mammal in the world. They inhabit the murky waters of Mexico's Gulf of California, where they are often mistaken for dolphins due to their similar size and shape. However, the vaquita is distinct with its dark rings around the eyes and lips that give it a look of perpetual surprise. Why is it endangered, you ask? The main reason is entanglement in gillnets used for illegal fishing of another endangered fish, the totoaba. The vaquita's population has plummeted by over 90% in the last 2 decades, with estimates suggesting fewer than 20 are left in the wild. Efforts are being made by various organizations and governments to protect the vaquita, including the ban on gillnet fishing in its habitat. But the fight is far from over. The vaquita, the world's most rare marine mammal, desperately needs our help. At number 7, we have the elusive Javan rhino. This magnificent creature is a relic of a bygone era, resembling a living, breathing dinosaur more than anything else. With a thick grey hide and a single horn on its snout, the Javan rhino is truly a sight to behold. Yet this prehistoric giant finds its home in the dense tropical rainforests of Ujung Kulon National Park in Indonesia, the last vestige of a species once widespread throughout Southeast Asia. But why is it endangered, you may ask? Rampant poaching for its horn and deforestation have decimated its population, leaving fewer than 60 individuals left in the wild. However, all is not lost. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this rare species. Anti-poaching patrols, habitat restoration initiatives, and captive breeding programs are all part of a concerted effort to save the Javan rhino from the brink of extinction. The Javan rhino, a prehistoric giant in a modern world. Number 6 on our list is the Cross River gorilla. A native to the dense forests of Nigeria and Cameroon, this muscular primate is a sight to behold. With robust bodies and broad chests, these gorillas are the very definition of strength, yet they exhibit an endearing gentleness that can't be overlooked. The Cross River gorilla, however, finds itself in a dire situation. Unrelenting deforestation and hunting have put this amazing creature at the brink of extinction. There are less than 300 of these gorillas left in the wild, a number that is chillingly low. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are in full swing to protect this species. Governments, non-profit organizations, and local communities are working together to curb hunting and preserve their habitat. They are setting up protected areas and educating locals to protect these gentle giants. The Cross River gorilla, a gentle giant facing a harsh reality. Let's hope that with continued efforts, their story can have a brighter future. Our number 5, the beautiful hawksbill turtle. Famous for its strikingly colorful shell, the hawksbill turtle is a jewel of the sea. These creatures are typically found in tropical oceans, particularly in coral reefs, where they play a vital role in maintaining the health of the reefs. Sadly, this captivating species is critically endangered. The primary threats to the hawksbill turtle are habitat loss due to climate change and the illegal trade of their shells. Often used for decorative purposes, in fact, their distinct shell pattern has become a curse for these creatures, making them a prime target for poachers. However, all is not lost. There are numerous conservation efforts underway to protect these oceanic gems. From stricter regulations on illegal trading to establishing marine protected areas, we're seeing a heartening response from the global community. The hawksbill turtle, a silent sufferer in our oceans, represents a world that we need to strive to protect, not just for them, but for ourselves as well. Coming in at number 4, the South China tiger. This majestic creature is a symbol of strength and power in Chinese culture. Its muscular frame, striking stripes and piercing eyes make it one of the most visually captivating of all big cats. The South China tiger calls the subtropical forests of southern China its home. But unfortunately, this natural habitat is rapidly being destroyed. Over the past few decades, the tiger's numbers have dwindled alarmingly due to habitat loss and poaching. It's now considered functionally extinct in the wild, with no confirmed sightings for over 2 decades. But there's hope. Efforts are being made to protect and increase the number of South China tigers. Conservation programs are working tirelessly to breed these tigers in captivity with the aim of eventually reintroducing them into the wild. The South China tiger, once a symbol of strength, now symbolizes our struggle against the harsh realities of extinction. At number 3, we find the Amur leopard. This splendid creature, known for its beautiful dense fur, is native to the forests of eastern Russia. The Amur leopard is a solitary cat with a territory that can span up to 100 square miles. But what makes this creature so unique is its adaptability to harsh climates. With long limbs and a thick coat, the Amur leopard is perfectly suited for the snowy winters of its homeland. However, this magnificent creature is on the verge of extinction, with less than 100 left in the wild. The main threats are habitat loss due to deforestation, poaching for its beautiful fur, and a decrease in its prey due to human activity. Efforts are being made to save this species. Conservation programs are working tirelessly to protect their habitats, curb poaching, and increase the leopard's population through captive breeding. The Amur leopard, a majestic creature on the edge of oblivion. Our number 2, the world's heaviest parrot, the kakapo. Now, this is a bird that breaks quite a few records. Not only is it the heaviest parrot, but it's also the world's only flightless parrot. Native to the lush forests of New Zealand, the kakapo is a nocturnal bird with a life expectancy that can stretch up to 90 years. But here's the catch. The kakapo is critically endangered. A combination of habitat loss and predation by introduced mammals like cats and rats has led to a drastic decline in their numbers. But not all hope is lost. Conservation efforts are in full swing, with the New Zealand Department of Conservation employing various strategies like translocating kakapos to predator-free islands and using artificial incubation for eggs. The kakapo, a unique bird in a fight against time. This nocturnal, flightless parrot is a testament to the diverse and fascinating world of wildlife that we must strive to protect. And now, the most endangered species on our planet, the vaquita. This small porpoise native to the Gulf of California is teetering on the brink of extinction. A victim of bycatch from illegal fishing operations, the vaquita's situation is urgent. But all is not lost. We can help by supporting conservation efforts, promoting sustainable fishing practices, and raising awareness about this precious sea creature. The vaquita, a testament to our responsibility to nature. These are just a few of the species facing the threat of extinction. The power of knowledge is vast, and by educating ourselves about endangered species and conservation efforts, we can make a difference. Consider supporting wildlife conservation organizations or adopting sustainable practices in your daily life. This is our planet, and its wildlife is our shared responsibility. If you found this video informative, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Remember, every small action counts when it comes to saving our planet's precious wildlife.